ArchiCAD is a building information modeling software developed by Graphisoft. It allows you to develop a virtual building model that has intelligent construction information linked to it. With different model views, you automatically generate 2D floor plans, elevations, sections, 3D floor plan documents, and interactive schedules for quantity takeoff and reporting. Hello and welcome to ArchiCAD 24 Essentials from Novice to Ninja. This is Nzangi Muimi. I'll be your instructor. I'm a conservator, educator, and content creator. In this course, you learn how to create an ArchiCAD project, how to develop a comprehensive architectural floor plan, documenting 2D elevations and building sections, extracting quantity schedules and reports from an ArchiCAD virtual building model, and publishing your ArchiCAD drawings to PDF. This course is a step-by-step guide to modeling and documenting your project in an ArchiCAD environment. Whether you are a student looking into utilizing ArchiCAD to complete your school project or an employee who wants to impress their boss with superb ArchiCAD skills, I will take you through from creating a new project to publishing your drawings. Here, you will learn and master high-demand computer-aided design skills with this comprehensive and in-depth course. The course is divided into 7 unique sections. A residential house project is used to explain the various concepts and steps that are involved. Therefore, we will be building a project from start to finish. This will cover project creation, a walkthrough of the various parts of the user interface, project navigation tips, wall modeling, door and window creation and settings, roof modeling, 2D documentation, that is floor plans, elevations and sections, custom title block creation, layout book settings, and publishing to PDF. I designed this course with the complete beginner in mind. The sections are broken down into step-by-step tutorials taught us at a slow pace to make it easy to follow along and understand. With the project files and PDF resources for reference, you will be able to work alongside the instructor every step of the way to develop your project from start to finish. So if you are an architecture, engineering, construction student with basic to no ArchiCAD skills and want to learn the full process of implementing a project in an ArchiCAD BIM environment, or a beginner ArchiCAD user who wants to improve their ArchiCAD 2D and 3D modeling and documenting skills, enroll to this course and let's meet in the next section.